So hello viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how can we install an app file using xcrun command. So this is also another method to install app file. So we have seen till now two methods, how we can install an app file into iOS simulator through appium inspector. Second, we saw drag and drop. This is the third one we are going to see. First, guys, you have to know what is the UDID of this iPhone 15 Plus device. Okay. First, you have to know what is the UDID of this iPhone 15 Plus device. Okay. For that, you have to run xcrun simctl list devices. For this, you have to know which is the booted one. So don't take anything which is shut down. You'll get the booted device. Now do what? You have to run this one. xcrun simctl install, and you have to give UDID here and the app path. So wherever the app is present. Okay. For that, guys, you have to so youtube.app file. Just once you have done that, click on enter. See, it is now installing youtube.app file. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.